Good morning, Tech for Senior. I'm back with another short little tip, and today we're going to talk about Circle to Search in your Chrome browser, not on your phone, your Chrome browser. Let me show you how to set it up. I learned about this trick through a newsletter that I received from J.R. Raphael on Android Intelligence. But this isn't for Android. This is for your Chrome browser. To get it started, go up to the top right, the three-dot menu, and when you have a page open that has information on it that you'd like to search any part of using Circle to Search, once you open this menu, go down to where it says Search with Google Lens. Select that. Now, as it says here, select anything to search with Google Lens. In this case, I'm just going to highlight that little image and see what it comes up with. And look, right over there it says how to use Google's Circle of Search, and it's from theintelligence.com, which is this newsletter that I subscribe to. Many other things come up that are similar, but you noticed the first thing here is the icon on this website. One other thing to notice is that up near the address bar to the right of it, you'll notice that little icon. It looks like a camera. If you do a right click on it, you can pin this to that address bar. And then you don't have to use the three-dot menu anymore. So if I pin it, it's now part of that address bar. If I get out of this and go back to the website itself, if I wanted to use Circle to Search again, I don't have to use the three-dot menu. I just simply click on the icon, and it says select anything to search for. So even though you don't have a camera, you can still use Circle to Search, and you can use it right directly in the Chrome browser. Give it a try. You might enjoy it. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helps. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.